Hey everyone, today we're diving into the brand new DJI Neo 2 and putting it head to head with the Neo 1 and the Avata 2. In this video we'll check out all the key upgrades, including design and weight differences, battery life, new quickshot modes, gesture and follow features, collision avoidance, and camera performance. We'll also test flying with the normal controller, motion controller, and full FPV manual mode, so you'll get the full picture of what this drone can do. Stick around because by the end of this video you'll know whether the Neo 2 is a worthy upgrade and how it stacks up against the Avata 2 for both casual flying and FPV enthusiasts. Starting with the design, the Neo 2 keeps a very similar shape to the Neo 1, but comes in a slightly darker color and a bit larger size. It's also heavier, mainly because of the removable digital transceiver, which doubles as a range extender when using a normal controller or an FPV controller. While the physical changes aren't huge, the Neo 2 already feels more solid and ready for serious flying. Battery life is an area where the Neo 2 is slightly behind the Neo 1. In side-by-side hovering tests, the Neo 2 lasted about 12 minutes, the Neo 1 just over 13 minutes, and the Avata 2 clearly leads with over 17 minutes of flight time. So if long sessions are your priority, the Avata 2 is still ahead. One of the biggest highlights of the Neo 2 is the quickshot modes. Like the Neo 1, it can fly without a controller, but the Neo 2 adds several new modes and makes controlling them easier. Side buttons let you switch between modes and adjust settings, and the small screen on the front shows exactly what mode is active. Quickshots like circle, rocket, and boomerang are smoother and more cinematic, and the Neo 2 doubles the maximum distance for shots compared to the Neo 1. New modes like helix, dolly zoom, master shots, and selfie shots make it simple to capture creative angles and group photos without much effort. Manual control via smartphone is possible, though precision can be tricky. The Neo 2 offers a much longer Wi-Fi range, about 150 meters, while the Neo 1 maxes out around 50 meters. Using a standard DJI controller provides better stability and longer range, especially in windy conditions, making it the preferred way to get more precise shots. The follow mode and gesture control have also been upgraded. The Neo 2 can follow from nearly any angle, while the Neo 1 is limited to following from behind. Gesture control allows repositioning the drone mid-flight, raising or lowering it, or moving it closer or farther away, without touching the controller. This makes capturing dynamic shots effortless and intuitive. When it comes to camera performance, the Neo 2 clearly shines. The 2-axis gimbal ensures smoother footage with less cropping, and the wider aperture paired with an improved processor allows shooting up to 4K at 60 FPS, compared to the Neo 1's 4K 30 FPS. Vertical video and 12MP photos are sharper, less cropped, and hold more detail. The Avata 2 still has the edge for high-speed FPV and advanced aerial cinematography, but the Neo 2 is a huge step up from its predecessor. Collision avoidance is another major improvement. The Neo 2 features omnidirectional sensors, including a LiDAR sensor on the front, which helps prevent crashes even during complex maneuvers. The Neo 1 lacks these sensors, making it more prone to collisions during quickshots or follow mode. Flying with the motion controller is surprisingly intuitive. Tilting and squeezing the controller feels natural, and the Neo 2 stays stable even in windy conditions. Full manual FPV flight is still challenging, as the Neo 2 doesn't have enough power for high-speed maneuvers in strong winds, whereas the Avata 2 handles this with ease. For FPV enthusiasts, the motion controller is the best option for the Neo 2, offering a smoother and more controlled experience. Overall, the Neo 2 is a definite upgrade over the Neo 1. It offers better quickshot modes, improved video and photo quality, enhanced follow and gesture features, and safer flying with collision avoidance. The battery life is slightly shorter than the Neo 1, but the overall performance and versatility make it a great choice for both casual flyers and those interested in creative aerial shots. Compared to the Avata 2, the Neo 2 is more compact and easier to carry, though the Avata 2 still wins for raw FPV power and longer flight time. If you're thinking about upgrading from the Neo 1, or looking for a compact, feature-packed drone, the Neo 2 is worth considering. It brings a lot of new features and improvements without losing the simplicity that made the Neo 1 popular, and it's a solid choice for anyone looking to capture smooth cinematic shots with minimal effort.